What's up guys? So we're back in the shop today with some more new products for you. These are gonna be from Kryptonite. If you have not heard of Kryptonite, this is going to be, you know, end all be all of hardcore. I just want to redo it. I saw hardcore on here and I said it because I was looking at the box. Damn it. If you haven't heard of Kryptonite, they're basically the best in the market for aftermarket steering, suspension components, kind of the wearable stuff, ball joints, wheel bearings, steerings, tie rods for IFS trucks, so typically GM. Now they finally have forayed into the straight axle truck market. In the past, we've used their drag link on our giveaway truck. We just did Kryptonite radius arms on Patrick's 450 dually and put some wheel bearings into the Super Duty axles on Jared's Bronco. This is gonna be their main offering for the Ram trucks. So this is gonna be their Death Grip Steering for the Ram 2500, 3500 heavy duty trucks. This particular kit is gonna fit 4th gens and 5th gens, 2014 and up trucks, all the way to new. You see it right there, new drag link, new tie rod, heavy duty stuff. Now, like I said, they're just getting into the Ram stuff, so this is one of the very few products they have. They also have ball joints, and they also have a steering dampener kit for these trucks, but that's it. That's all they make right now. My Ram back here, the old farm truck, little over 100,000 miles. It's had 37s and 35s on it. Steering's getting a little sloppy, so we got this we're gonna throw in, see if we can't tighten that up a little bit. We'll show you the install, and then we'll take this thing for a little ride and see how she steers. Oh, those look like what, 21? Probably. Holy f***, my shoulders hurt. All right guys, so now that we've got the old stuff out, laying it up here to kind of show you how it compares to the Kryptonite. Obviously on our drag link, you know, the factory one's got this pinch in it for some steering clearance. It's got these not serviceable, tiny little ball joints on the ends here, which actually don't have a whole lot of slop. It's surprising how much slop was in the steering for how tight these are. But now we're going with this heavy duty, fully aluminum, so not steel anymore, not stamped steel, Kryptonite drag link. We've got serviceable ball joints on each end, grease zerts. We can actually take care of this thing. It's gonna last forever, same as the truck. Big upgrade there, no more rusty steel there. Down on the tie rod, I mean, this is a heavy duty truck, so this is pretty heavy duty stuff. But again, it's just steel, just stamped steel, hollow bar. This is gonna be a solid aluminum with some greasable, serviceable joints on the end again. Unlike the factory ones that are not serviceable. A little bit of slop in these. We're gonna throw the new ones in, dial everything up. I didn't get the new steering dampener. Probably do that in a later video because looking at this, now it's gonna bother me that I didn't get the Fox steering dampener, but they do offer that as well through Kryptonite. You can see how easy this is. Straight axle trucks, so much easier to work on than the IFS stuff. All right guys, so there you have it. Quick, simple install for a much stronger product over factory. So if you want some heavier duty steering for your Ram or Ford or GM heavy duty truck, customoffsets.com, hit us up. guys, so it kind of occurred to us that while I've kind of been doing parts and things on this truck in the background, we haven't really told you what's going on with the build or really talked about it at all. So we're gonna give you a good old-fashioned walk around of the Ram here. So this thing started life as a 2019 Ram 2500 Tradesman. It's got the Cummins in it. As you saw this winter, we threw a 3-inch BDS radius arm kit in there, paired that with a set of 37s and some Anthems, but it's summer and we've been going to a lot of shows, so we kind of got a new setup here. These are gonna be 24x12 KG1 Legion, forged wheel obviously, wrapped in the Nitto Recon Grappler AT in a 325/45 R24. So this is basically like a 35.5 by 13 tire here. It's gonna be F-load rated. This thing still needs to be a farm truck even with forged wheels. So the tire's got a load rating that'll do everything that I need it to do. Now the Legion is gonna be a concave face wheel. It's one of their newer designs. So not much of a lip, which is kind of what I was looking for. You still get the width, a little bit outside the fender without all of the lip to collect rock chips, dirt, and bugs and that kind of thing. I did a little bit of trimming on the front valence, front bumper, inner liner, but she does catch the old Farmall mud flaps in the back. So we did show you the install AlphaRex headlights and taillights, front and rear on this truck. But what you didn't see was I now have a painted grille surround and then had our local painter go through, paint the hood badges, paint the mirrors. I also threw in some Boost Auto Parts switchbacks into the mirrors while we were at it, just to get everything sequential, everything switchback, so the headlights, the mirrors, everything matches. Truck is tinted. We've got 50% on the windshield, 20% on the sides, 20% over the backs and the back window. Not too dark. I still need to pull a trailer. This thing needs to work at night, so I need to be able to see out of it. Unfortunately, I couldn't go super, super dark. As you just saw, it's got the Kryptonite Death Grip front end kit in it, and this spring we threw in a lot of bank stuff. So it's got the Monster Ram intake horn, it's got the Super Scoop Banks Ram Air intake, it's got the boost tubes and the 5-inch exhaust with the tip. Overall, she's a good little truck, does what I need it to and looks good doing it. You know, not your everyday farm truck. We're gonna take it out and then we'll get back to work on some real stuff.